Most people fail to convince others because they make one simple mistake. They talk about what they want, but the world doesn't care what you want, it cares about itself. The moment you understand this, people stop resisting you and start agreeing with you. Today, I will show you how exactly you can make people agree to your demands ethically, naturally, and without any manipulation. All the ideas that I'm going to explain today in this video are from the book How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. The principle says, arouse in the other person an eager want. I'm giving you an example. Suppose you like strawberries. You are very fond of them, but you want to go fishing. And the fishes like worms. So are you going to bait the strawberry to the fish, or you are going to bait worms to the fish? Obviously your answer will be worms. Because here we don't care what we want. We care about what the fish wants. This applies to the real life as well. Carnegie says in his book, first arise in the person an eager want. He who has this has the whole world with him. He who cannot walks a lonely way. I am going to tell you another story of a woman, Barbara Anderson. She worked in a bank in New York, but she decided to shift to Arizona. When she decided to shift, she wrote a letter to several banks. To our surprise, she got 11 out of 12 letters accepted and she was called for interview. You might be wondering what she wrote in the letter. Here you can see that this is the copy of that letter. Exactly. In this letter, she talked what the company is going to get from her, not what she wants from the company. She mentioned all the benefits which she is going to provide to the company, not the benefits which she demands from the company. The most common mistake we make. Think about it. Every time you said, come with me, help me with this, you were talking of your demands. You were giving your own reasons. But humans don't move because of your reasons. They move because of theirs. It sounds harsh, it sounds selfish, but it's the reality. And ignoring reality is the fastest way to fail in relationships, friendships, negotiations, and most of the things. Now I'm going to share about the practical real life examples on how you can change your demands so that their chances of being accepted are increased. We are going to talk about what the other person is going to get, not what we want from that particular person. Number 1, wrong. Come with me. Right. Come with me, you will also get some fresh air and a break. We talked what the other person is going to get. Now the second example is of a student talking to a teacher. Please give me some more time. This is wrong. The correct one is, if you give me more time, the quality of my work is going to be much better and it is going to reflect on your class. Here we can see that the request becomes mutual. Now the third example of child explaining to his or her parents. Wrong. Please let me use phone. Right. If you let me use the phone, I will be able to complete the work much faster and I'll give it back myself. You reduce the fear of your parents and you increase their confidence in you. The actionable step which you can take from this video is AIB Formula. Ask what they need. I. Identify the overlap. What's common between your goal and theirs. B. Build your request around their benefit. This isn't manipulation. This is respect. This is mature communication and a sense of understanding. Here you can see that this is a summary of all the ideas and practical applications from the entire video. Now at last I want to say, people don't resist you. They resist losing something that matters to them. Speak to them about what they value and you will have the world walking with you. Nobody is perfect, but we need to improve. This is Anzar and I'm becoming the best version of myself with each day passing. Click on the subscribe button and let's do it together. And I will see you in the next video.